What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on GOEV ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and I will show you my technical analysis and what to expect next from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here when we almost hit this sloping line, and as you can see I drew these two lines, this resistance and this support, on my previous video, and it is a bullish wedge. And usually this pattern breaks to the upside, and I've told you on my previous video that we have to have a bounce from this line. First of all, we should have a bounce, then we have to break it to the upside, retest it from the top, and with a good volume we have to go higher. As you can see, it moves exactly as I predicted. We had first touch right here, it was a false breakout with this week. Then we have some kind of consolidation to this point, and we broke it eventually to the upside. We hit the 55 exponential moving average as a resistance and then went lower. As you can see, we are sliding down on this sloping line, and just several days ago we have this massive surge in price for more than 41%. And I decided to make another video when we broke this previous stop. As you can see, we broke it, and we have a very good price action above the 55 exponential moving average. That is also a very good bullish sign, because we have the entire candle is sitting on this line. So I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. Let's start with the company profile. Canoo, a mobility technology company, designs, engineers, develops and manufactures electric vehicles for commercial and customer markets in the United States. The company offers B2B delivery vehicles, multi-purpose delivery vehicles and lifestyle vehicles using skateboard architecture technology. For now, this company has a total market cap of $2.15 billion. They have a revenue of $2.55 million with a negative net income of $163.47 million. They have a very good cash position of $563.57 million with a total debt of only $14.61 million. They have very good current ratio and quick ratio, and they are 4.96 and 4.85 respectively. So from the financial standpoint, this company is very stable, and I have to say that this company basically doesn't sell anything for now. They have a very low number in revenue, and they have losses of more than $160 million. So they are still in pre-manufacturing mode, they are still in developing mode, and that's why we have to be cautious, because they scheduled the start of their deliveries on Q4 2022. So only in 1 year we will see the massive activity on their sales department, and that's why we have to be cautious. So let me show you this article. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on September 24th, and it's titled Canoo, Lordstown Motors and Fisker lead the electric vehicle sector. And let me quote you this. Investors are bidding up select electric vehicle startup stocks for the second day in a row. Notable gainers include Canoo, GOEV ticker plus 12%, and Lordstown, Fisker, so on and so forth. And let me quote you this. Perhaps a factor in today's action, Elon Musk said the global chip shortage is just a short-term problem in public comments today. And I have to say that this is not the only reason why we have this massive surge in price. And here is the second one. We are on investorplace.com, and this article was published 3 days ago, and it's titled The Canoo Charter on Reddit that has GOEV stock cruising higher today. And let me quote you. Canoo stock is catching the interest of traders on Reddit thanks to a post pointing out the strong short squeeze potential it has. That post is currently doing incredibly well on the Wall Street Bets subreddit. As of this writing, it has 1,300 upvotes with more than 170 comments. That comes as no surprise, as Reddit traders love to burn shorts when given the chance. And here are some comments about this movement, and I have to say that a lot of people want to YOLO this stock, and that's why we might see a good movement to the upside. On top of that, we have the short float according to finviz.com at the range of 33.04%. So short squeeze is still possible according to this data, and that's why we might have a good movement to the upside today. And let me show you keywordcount.com. This website tracks the Wall Street Bets activity, and as you can see, GOEV ticker among the list of top mentioned tickers on this website, right after the SPY ticker. And as you can see, it has a huge spike in mentions during the last several hours. And on hypeequity.com, we also have GOEV ticker as the most mentioned ticker with the social volume of 348, and this volume is up for more than 654%. That's why we have very good contender to potential short squeeze, and that's why, in my opinion, this is the next target of Wall Street Bets community to drive the price of this company up. So let me give you a sneak peek on their institutional owners, and right here we have green rows that indicate new positions, red rows indicate closed positions, and we definitely have more green rows than red ones, because from the technical standpoint we had to break this sloping wedge, and that's why we have more chances to go higher than to go lower, and I mentioned it in my previous video. So we don't have the average price of these positions, but if you divide the value of the position by the number of shares, you will have the average price of these latest positions, and they are about $8.1, $8.3 per share. So I don't think that for now it's a very good point to enter your position for the long term with this company, because with the recent movement to the upside, you basically missed the train. And you have to have a major pullback in order to enter your position for the long term with this company. But before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. And I have to say that if you want to catch the trade, and this trade might be very juicy for you, it has definitely a downside potential, because we might hit lower support lines. We might have about 33% to our previous bottom right here to this point, and we might hit even this previous bottom at the range of about 35%. So the worst case scenario, you can lose about 35% of your investment. That is why you have to enter the position only with the amount that you are willing to lose. So, and what to expect next from this ticker? As you can see on daily time frame, we didn't even break the border in between neutral and overbought territory. This means we have a huge room to grow. Let me show you 1 hour time frame. And right here, as you can see, we have RSI at the very high levels. This means we might see a pullback, slight pullback on today's session, and this pullback might be your entry point, and this entry point will give you more attractive average price. Let me switch to 3 hours time frame. We also at the overbought territory, but this RSI isn't so high. But still we have to have a slight pullback, and in my opinion this pullback might be at the range of this previous swing tops, and it is in between $8 and $8.2. And let me pull the Fibonacci retracement tool, and if it is the very top, if we won't see next leg to the upside right before the cool down, right before the pullback, we might have certain levels. As you can see, we have very good confluence with 0.382 level, and in my opinion it might be a very good entry point for you, and from this point we might go higher. And what are the targets? I have to say that first of all we have to break this previous swing top, and from our current price we might have about 25% to this target and about 36% to second one. And if we will see a lower price action, and it might be your entry point, we might have up to 50% of potential profits. with this next movement to the upside. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Just be extremely cautious with this ticker, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!